Okay, so here's the meal plan and here's the fat loss blueprint. So what we need to do is first upload these into Collins Infusionsoft, and then we need to get the links so that they can be downloaded. Um, so we go to Collins Infusionsoft. Let's see. We had snow this morning.
Oh, I can just imagine the cold. Over
That was,
here, it's gonna be summer really soon, and it's gonna be hot. Yeah.
we were really surprised. Let's see.
Is it like a heavy snow or just a light?
No, just like it's mostly gone now, although there's still a little bit on the roof, but maybe half an inch.
Okay.
Not enough to keep you off the roads or anything like that. Let's see. Okay. So actually, I'm actually going to use breaths to demonstrate this because it's
Okay.
already up there. So the first thing you want to do is go over to this little house
Oh,
and
okay.
go to files.
To upload.
Yep. And then you want to go to company files, not my files. It doesn't work if you put them in my files. So we go to company files, and you see I've got the fat loss blueprint and the meals kickstart meal plan here. But the way you get them here is you just browse. I mean, you know how to upload a file. So you would download those two files from the Google Drive
Okay.
on your computer, and then browse to them here and upload them both.
Okay.
And then you'll see them in this list. And then what you want to do is right click on this download link
Mm-hmm.
and copy the link location.
Okay.
And then store it on a document, and then you'll use that when we set up the link. Um, so you'll want to copy both the links for the blueprint and for the meal plan. Obviously, label which one's which so you know the difference.
Mm-hmm.
One of the other things I put here is this Word document, which you can use. What I typically do when I start setting up campaign links, which is the next thing you're going to be doing, is I'll create this, and it has all of the links that are going to be used in the different campaigns.
Okay.
And I put all the links here so that I can easily copy them and paste them into the campaign. So if you'll see here, Let's see, where is it?
The one
Did
signing.
you- oh, here it is. So here is the blueprint. So what I would suggest doing is creating a version of this for Colin.
Mm-hmm.
And now this one's maybe a little bit out of date.
Uh-huh.
So you may need to update this, but the key concept here is, wherever we have a link in these different campaigns, we want to put the link in here. In fact, let me upload another computer. Let me upload another more recent version of this. Let's see. I must have a slow connection this morning.
Probably from the snow.
Maybe. Okay. I'm going to delete this. Okay, so here's an example. For Brett, this is what I put together to kind of as an aid. But here's where I put the links for the meal plans and the blueprint.
Okay.
So you'll want to keep those on a document, something like this. So that's this task. If we go back to our sheet here, so that's upload the fat loss blueprint and meal plan documents. So you upload them, download them from the drive, upload them into Infusionsoft in Colin's app, copy the links and paste the links into a document so you can get to them later.
Okay.
Questions on that?
Oh no, it's clear.
Makes sense? Okay. All right, then I'm gonna since we're talking about links, I'm gonna jump to this one, populate campaign links in all campaigns. So let's go back here. To Brett's. And you'll want to go through each one of these campaigns one by one. Not all of them will have merge fields and links, but you'll find out which ones they are. but it's important to make sure that we don't miss anything to go at least look at each one. So let's start at the top.
So I need to check it. I need to check the campaigns one by one, right? To
Yep. Okay, so once the campaign loads, then go up here to Actions and go down. Oops. Go down here to Links.
Mhm.
And these are the campaign links. What you'll find when you go into the campaign, this has all the links already in it because he's already set up. What you'll find is that many of the URLs will be there, and you don't need to change those.
Mhm.
But some of them will say http://url.com, which is obviously a fake URL.
Mhm.
All of those need to be replaced with an actual link.
Okay.
So the way you do that, let's take, this is an example. You click on this little pencil to edit it. And then you just copy and paste the link in here.
Okay.
And you remember we just got the blueprint link. So you would just copy it off that document and put it here. And then click this little save thing that looks like an old floppy disk.
Mhm.
So you basically go through each campaign, copy all these links in. Now, the blueprint and the fat loss or the meal plan, you're gonna generate like I just told you. The rest of the links are going to come from the questionnaire.
Okay.
And I'm guessing you're starting to know your way around Podio a little bit now.
Yeah. I check the notification one by one because I've got so many.
Yeah.
Just to
It,
check which ones resolve, or if I can just do it by myself.
good. Okay, so the ones we're looking for the links, and that's in questionnaire number 4, links and merge fields. And so for Colin, we would click on the Kent one. And you'll see all of the links here.
Okay.
So if we go back to our field, so that's, let's see, where's it good? Online scheduler, there's an example.
Okay.
Owner Facebook page.
So I'm assuming that it's blank because we haven't started working on that one for Colin yet. So I'm gonna click on the add link and then enter the information.
Yep, you're gonna go find the link over here and put it in here.
Okay. All right.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so why don't you go ahead and do those two things, get the fat loss and meal plan documents uploaded into his app, and then go through and put in all the links.
Okay.
And then let me know if you have any questions. And when you're done, let me know, and we'll go through merge fields.
All right. All right.
Okay.
See you later, Dave. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.